mixing bowl, put in half a cup of butter, which is about 1 stick. Add 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of firmly packed brown sugar. Now we just want to beat this until it's light and fluffy. Now add 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just mix this through until it's combined. Now what you want to do is melt 250 grams of chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate. You can use dark chocolate if you wish. You can even use bittersweet chocolate. Once it's melted, let it cool for about 5 minutes, and then we want to pour that chocolate straight in here. Now with your mixer on low, you want to get 1 cup of self-raising flour and 3 to 4 tablespoons of raw cacao or cocoa. Mix them together and then spoon the mixture in here slowly, just so it combines well. Now get anywhere from half a cup to 3/4 a cup of dried cranberries. Just mix them in so they're just combined. Now get a baking tray, get some baking paper, parchment paper, or grease the tray, or if you've got something like this that's silicone, this is brilliant. Just dollop however much you want. Really depends how big you want these. I'll make a few different sizes. Now these will turn into pretty good sized cookies, so there's only 6 on here, but the mixture, using this sort of size, you'll easily get 24. Now just pop these in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius, for, I don't know, 15 to 17 minutes. Just check it after about 13 or 14. Basically, once the edges are dry and the tops are cracked, it's done.
Simple cooking, simple